जहां है प्लास्टिक का जहां, कन कन में इसके सिपेट के निशान, जैसे झूमे धरती निरंतर, वैसे प्लास्टिक रहे उम्र भर। प्रगति की स्वर्ण जयंती पथ पर 68 से है सिपेट अग्रसर। ये जहां है सिपेट का जहां। दिनचर्या के साथी हम हैं, विज्ञान के पथिक हम हैं, आमदनी का जरिया हम हैं, हर शुरुआत में हम हैं, प्रगति के साथ में हम हैं, हर विकास में हम हैं। ये जहां है सिपेट का जहां, हर दृष्टि में हम हैं, इस दृष्टि में हम हैं, प्रकृति के साथ में हम हैं, हर किसान के हम हैं। ये जहां है सिपेट का जहां, ये जहां है सिपेट का जहां।
बेटा कहाँ एडमिशन ले रहा है?
वो कहता है कि सिपेट से प्लास्टिक इंजीनियरिंग करेगा।
ओहो,
मैं तो कह रहा था कि मैकेनिकल या कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग करो।
कैसी बात कर रहे हैं आप? आपके बेटे ने बहुत अच्छा निर्णय लिया है। केंद्र सरकार का संस्थान है सिपेट, जहां अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर की तकनीकी शिक्षा दी जाती है। आप तो जानते ही हैं, बिजली का स्विच बनाने से लेकर हवाई जहाज तक सब में प्लास्टिक तकनीक का उपयोग होता है। पेट्रोकेमिकल क्षेत्र में रोजगार की संभावनाएं बहुत बढ़ रही हैं।
जी हाँ, केंद्रीय रसायन और उर्वरक मंत्रालय ने पेट्रोकेमिकल क्षेत्र में कुशल युवाओं को तैयार करने के लिए सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ प्लास्टिक इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी यानी सीपेट के देश के कोने कोने में 32 केंद्र स्थापित किए हैं तथा आने वाले दिनों में कई और नए केंद्र खोले जा सकते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री के मेक इन इंडिया की सोच को बढ़ावा देने के लिए पेट्रोकेमिकल क्षेत्र में शिक्षण, प्रशिक्षण और इसका देश में विकास हमारी प्रगति के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है।
Has signed Memorandum of Understandings for joint collaboration with world-renowned leading universities SO and QMS certification, NABL and NABCB accreditation. CIPET is functioning with an aim to contribute towards sustainable growth of plastics and allied industry by producing plastics technology professionals and entrepreneurs.
The students are getting mobilized at the village and panchayat levels. Our faculties visits those places, interact with them and conduct the awareness programs and enroll them for the training programs. So based on their enrollment, they'll be called to the centers and then skill training will be provided to them.
Many of our alumni from the last 15 or 20 years are now heading various plastics organizations, and it's a very proud feeling to see that students from underprivileged backgrounds end up doing such wonderful jobs.
To achieve its objectives, CIPET offers a wide range of academic programs with varying entry levels in the niche areas of plastics engineering and technology.
Here in CPET, we spend half the day learning about the types of machines and how they work, and other half of the day in the laboratories.
It helps us to enhance our knowledge theoretically as well as practically.
बाहर कहीं इतना अच्छा नॉलेज नहीं मिलता है मशीनों के बारे में, इतना CPET में हमको मिल रहा है.
I was shocked when I came to this college for the first day. I never saw a person or a student sitting in the cafeteria while bunking a class. Every student and every staff is punctual.
CPET की जो टीचिंग फैकल्टी है बहुत ही अच्छी है और वो जितने भी लड़के हैं लगभग कोशिश करते हैं कि सबको इंडिविजुअल अटेंशन दें.
Expert lecturers are brought in from current working industries.
CPET has given me that industrial exposure.
I got internship in East Coast Railway. That's just because of CPET.
I think by being a part of those projects, we learn a lot about what the market is doing and how the world is working.
क्योंकि हमारा जो CPET कॉलेज है हमें एज अ वर्कर काम करना नहीं सिखाता, वो हमें लीडरशिप सिखाता है कि हम कैसे लीड करें, हम अपना कैसे स्टार्टअप करें.
It's a place where you will learn, and if you want to go forward in this field, then absolutely it's the best place in the country.
With highly qualified and experienced faculty, enriched library, stimulating research opportunity and modern infrastructure facilities, CPET blends modern-day teaching techniques with a traditional emphasis on imparting technical knowledge that makes learning an enjoyable experience.
In plastic industry, CPET students are very important.
No wonder that the students from CPET coming out are very employable because they exactly know what they are doing.
Virtually, we can say that today's plastic industry is being run by CPETians.
With the aim of transforming the plastics industry, CPET focuses on developing entrepreneurs in the plastics segment. It provides appropriate training in all aspects of setting up a plastics industry.
In CPET, what I learned is that only 20% is the theoretical and 80% is basically what is been taught to you practically.
It is only here that you have a nice balance of theory and practical that you can actually explore and take it forward and use it in your own industry.
Visits to the industry, talking to the industry people, bringing down industry people down to CPET, taking them to a level where they understand what actually is happening.
The soft skills also are provided by CPET, which is very important for a successful entrepreneur.
CPET is just a catalyst. They have done a catalyst role in nurturing my life.
CPET provides you a damn good platform to launch yourself.
Application of knowledge is an integral process in education which creates high-quality professionals.
I was working for various companies, including multinationals and limited companies in the country. Now I am the owner of one of the organizations based out of Baroda.
When I have passed out, I was selected in almost 5 companies. I have to select which company I have to join.
The knowledge I gained in CPET has given me enormous knowledge in machine developments, tool developments, processings, designs, and consulting to other industries. Today, after 25-30 years, we have 9 locations in India and 1 in overseas.
We started this company in 1997 and we started in very small way. So today, the overall our group turnover closer to 160 to 175 crores. Whatever it is, I learned only from the CPET.
So you are already a winner when you get into CPET.
CPET, armed with an excellent